Did you know na may 5 common types ng non-condo rentals na pwedeng itayo sa isang lote? First is single detached homes. Ito yung standalone house sa sariling lote, may yard, garage, at full privacy. Usually, ideal ito sa mga bigger families na gusto ng mas malaking space. Second is single attached homes. Dalawang bahay na magkadikit sa isang sidewall. Mas affordable siya kaysa detached, pero may privacy pa rin bawat unit. Third is townhouses. Ito yung magkakatabing multi-story homes na magkakadikit ang sidewalls. Common ito sa gated communities at magandang option for starter families. Fourth is bungalows. Single-story homes na may open layout. Maganda ito for families with kids or elderly dahil mas accessible ang spaces. And fifth, duplex. Isang building na may dalawang separate homes with their own entrances. Maganda ito for multi-generational living or for rental income. And believe it or not, marami pang ibang property strategies depende sa goal ng lupa mo. If you want to learn how to design income-generating properties, follow Architect Brendan and Rifa.